Stop scrolling for a second. We've all been there. You type something, a topic into Google and get 5 minutes in 0.4 seconds. But how much of that is actually true? Well, today we are starting a series on information literacy, your secret weapon for surviving the digital age. So, what on God's green earth is information literacy? It sounds like a boring library term, but it's actually a survival skill. This is the ability to realize when you need information, where to find the good stuff, and how to spot the fake. Think of it as a professional grade filter for your brain. In a world of fake news and AI hallucinations, this skill is what separates the pros from the amateurs. And I, your glamorous guide, Tech Warlock, shall be taking you through the entire topic, keeping you up with everything, including the use of new software, and the specific software we shall be using shall be the Mendeley citations software. Yeah, and fair warning, throughout this video I shall keep on sniffling because I might not be in best health at the moment, but who knows, we shall get through it all, hopefully and gloriously, together. And of course we shall go through Mendeley. Now, over our next 11 videos, including this one, I'm going to show you how you exact DIY workflow. We'll cover how to decode sources, the CRAAP test for credibility, and the big one, how to use Mendeley. Of course, I'm going to show you how to install it first, set it up, and let it handle all your citations automatically, so you never have to type in the bibliography again and again. So think of me as your Jesus for today and your righteous Savior. Yeah, Mendeley is not actually that complex. You could probably have learned about it somehow, but I'm going to do it for you all in just a couple of minutes. It shouldn't be that much. So this is their homepage. Yeah, so you go right ahead, click on download for Windows. Yeah, I've already downloaded mine, and then we shall go set it up. And once you click that download button, probably prepare like 600 MBs of data to download the entire app. But once you have it, you should find it in your downloads Mendeley reference manager. Now the 2.144, the 2.144.0 is like the app version. So look for a version that's more, please don't stop, that's more compatible with your device. So just go on ahead and why was I even rushing? We shall get to installing that later. For now, let me just take you through the essentials. Well, alright fam, this isn't just about getting an A on a paper, though it actually helps, but it's all about being the person in the room who actually knows what they're talking about. Whether you are a student, a creator, or just curious, these 5-minute sessions will change how you see the internet. And of course, it wouldn't be possible without me. Yeah, this nut is really it's taking the fun out of everything, isn't it? So, ready to start? Drop a comment if you've ever been fooled by a fake headline, and hit that subscribe button right there. This is the guy, this guy. subscribe right there. And in the next video we are diving into the next high stakes of research. Let's get into it and see you next time. Tech Warlock signing out. Subscribe. Yep, subscribe. Just like that. Subscribe.